Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to make a DOM element invisible. If you have seen my last video, I made a DOM element modify. Like yesterday we had an example, Java is a scripting language, so we added a function to make JavaScript as a scripting language. If you want to know this video modifying HTML video in depth, I will attach the card, which is exactly right side top corner of my screen. Now let us return back to make DOM invisible element. I have the same HTML file, so only thing I'll do, Java is a scripting language is there, right? So I'll make this invisible. Let us start the video. Now as you can see on the screen, I've already created make DOM invisible. So I'll write a function. So function make element invisible. So I'll write this function. I'll add open bracket, close bracket. I'll copy the same thing. I'll copy this line where ELE equal to get element by ID from Java. What is this? Nothing but this is this one paragraph element which we have given ID. So I want to make this as an invisible. So only thing I have to do, guys, I have to write ELE document.getElementById, or even you can remove this one, right? So if I remove this one also, it doesn't matter. If I put dot here, so I'll get style, and if I put dot in the style, I'll get display. If I put display equal to none, I just have to give none. So now if I do this, if I open the modify DOM ele.html, let me just open that file. So now this was the HTML file which I created yesterday. So it is modify DOM ele.html. It is there, modify your DOM. So yesterday we modified. So now yesterday while modification I gave this modify.ele.js and it was this modify.html. So let me execute that and see what was yesterday's answer. When I click on this, the alert will come Java scripting language. If I click on OK, it will change. Now what I'll do, instead of this, so I can create a different file, but for the timing I'll edit it here itself. I'll put like make DOM ele invisible.js, and here in modify, instead of modify HTML, I'll put make element invisible. Make element invisible, I'll add it here. That should be a function now. So instead of modify your DOM, same I'll write make element invisible. I'll remove DOM, I'll save the file. Now what I'll do, I'll open that, I'll reload it. You can see here make element invisible has come up as a button. Text, Java is a scripting language. If I click on it, so now element disappears. So this is one of simple example to show how to make DOM element disappear during runtime through JavaScript. If you think video was really informative, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.